Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello and welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Amrita Raichand, and like you know, we are back here to give you a new recipe which is healthy and tasty for every school day. So today I'm making baby potato satay. How is it healthy? Well, you see it just right now. So let's begin and let's make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So I'm going to begin. This is a very exciting recipe. In a bowl, I am taking peanut butter. If you like, you can use just the creamy one if your children don't like the bite of the peanuts. Little bit of soy sauce, little parsley, some salt and pepper, and then I'm going to add my lovely Kissan Tomato Ketchup. It's going to add the freshness of real tomatoes and is going to make my dish very, very exciting and colourful. Now I'm going to complete this with sesame oil, which is just going to make this just absolutely superbly healthy. I am going to mix this, emulsify this entire dressing ingredients up. Kya hai mere paas? Paneer, capsicum, and some very cute baby potatoes. Children love all of this, especially the potatoes and the paneer. First, we are going to add the potatoes, which are a great source of carbohydrates and gives a lot of energy to children. And then we are going to add a little cube of paneer, then a square of capsicum, and then 2 more little halves of baby potatoes. Just nicely coat them. Okay, so just like this, I'm going to make my other 3 satays and leave them here in this marinade to coat properly. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Lovely, looking lovely, smelling amazing, and children are just going to totally love it too. मैं अपना टिफिन लेके आती हूँ and some cut papaya, and now I'm going to add my satay. I hope you like this recipe. It is a fabulous recipe, so do try it. And for more such exciting recipes, do subscribe to India Food Network. So I will be back tomorrow to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.